Hello everyone! How are you today? My name is teacher Alice and welcome to English for Fun. And today we're going to sing a song and watch a new story. Are you ready? Let's start. And the letter of this lesson is letter L. 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 Let's see some words with letter L. Can you make a sound of the letter L? Repeat after me. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Let's sing a song. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Repeat after me. L, 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 L for line. L, L, L for little. L, L, L for lake. La 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 la. L, L, L for lamb. L, L, L for lunch, L, L, L for love, la 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 la. L, L, L for lettuce, L, L, L for lettuce, L, L, L for lettuce, la la ladybug. Repeat words after me. L, lion, lion, little, little. Lake, lake, lamb, lamb, lunch, lunch, love, love, lettuce, lettuce, ladybug, ladybug. Excellent, well done. Now let's watch a story. And the story of today is Little Lion. In a forest near a lake, there lives a little lion. Hi, little lion. He's got two little friends. Their names are Ladybug and Lamb. One day, the little lion invites his little friends, Ladybug and Lamb, for lunch. They eat lettuce. They love lettuce. They love to spend time together. Bye-bye, little lion. Bye-bye, Ladybug. Bye-bye, Lamb. I hope you will enjoy our little story. And let's move on. And our next stop is a new number. And the number of the week is number 12. 12. 12. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. The number of the week is number 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12. Can you tell me how many lines you can see? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can see 12 lions. Can you tell me how many lambs you can see? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can see 12 lambs. How many ladybugs can you see? Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can see 12 ladybugs. Excellent, good job. I hope you will enjoy the video, and if you want to keep on learning and having fun with us, click like, subscribe. It's Teacher Alice and it's English for Fun. See you next time. Bye bye for now.